Hello my dear viewers, welcome back. In this video we are going to study the notes of class 6 social science geography chapter number 12, Asia, a land of contrasts. If you want the notes of other lessons of other classes, you can check the playlist of my channel, you can get from there. Question number 1. Asia is a land of contrasts. Why? Answer. Asia is the largest of all the continents, hence it has the greatest variety in terms of physical features, climate, vegetation, wildlife, soils, etc. It has the highest mountains, plateaus, vast fertile plains, desert, river system and lakes. There is diversity in languages, religions, uneven distribution of population and density. That is why it is often called the land of contrasts. Question number 2. What is the physical setting of Asia? Answer. The continent of Asia is bounded by oceans on 3 sides and by land on 1 side. It is bounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north and the Pacific Ocean in the east and the Indian Ocean in the south, Europe continent in the west. The border between Asia and Europe is traditionally drawn as a zigzag line passing down the spine of the Ural Mountains and through the Caspian Sea, Caucasus Mountains and the Black Sea. The boundary separating Asia and Africa is along the Suez Canal, and the boundary between Asia and Australia is usually placed between the island of New Guinea and Australia. Question number 3. Which are the major physical divisions of Asia? Answer. On the basis of structure and relief features, Asia can be divided into 5 major physical divisions. Number 1. Northwestern lowlands, central highlands, southern plateaus, the great plains of rivers, the island groups. Question number 4. Which are the highest mountains and plateaus in Asia? Answer. The Himalayas are the highest mountain in Asia. The Yunnan Plateau southwest of China is the highest plateau of Asia. Question number 5. In which season are the rains plentiful in Asia? Answer. Most of the rainfall in Asia is caused by the monsoon winds in summer season. In winter, the western lights cause rainfall in western Asian countries. Eastern part of China, the Philippines and Malaysia, which receives rainfall from tropical cyclones. Question number 6. Which are the major staple food crops of Asia? Answer. Rice and wheat. Question number 7. Which is the most important fossil fuels in Asia? Answer. Coal and petroleum. Question number 8. Which parts of Asia are very sparsely populated? Why? Answer. The sparsely populated areas includes the northern and eastern parts of Siberia, which are very cold, the desert of Arabia, Iran and Thar in India, too dry, and the highlands of Central Asia. Question number 9. Mention any 3 major industrial regions of Japan. Answer. There are 4 major industrial regions in Japan. Number 1. Keihin region is the greatest industrial region of Japan. It includes by Tokyo, Kawasaki and Yokohama cities. The important industries are textile, engineering, shipbuilding, paper and cement. The Hanshin region includes Osaka, Kobe, Kyoto. It is dominated by textiles. Number 3. The Isebai region spread around Nagoya city and is dominated by textiles and engineering industries. Number 4. The Kita-Kyushu region includes Yawata, Kokura and Miji. The industries are steel, shipbuilding, machinery, chemicals and textiles. Here are the additional question answers of this lesson. Question number 1. Mention the regional divisions of Asia. Answer. The 5 major regional divisions of Asia are East Asia, Southeast Asia, South Asia, Southwest Asia, Central Asia. Question number 2. Write a note on the southern plateaus. Answer. They are the old plateaus made of hard crystalline rocks. They comprise the Plateau of Arabia, the Deccan Plateau, India, and the Plateau of Yunnan, Indochina, and Shan Plateau, Myanmar. The Plateau of Arabia occupies the entire Arabian Peninsula. It is dry region. The Deccan Plateau occupies a large part of Indian Peninsula. It lies between the central mountains, the western Ghats, and the eastern Ghats. It slopes to the east, and most of its river flow in that direction. The Yunnan Plateau is situated to the southwest of China. It is high block consisting of limestone. The Shan Plateau is a continuation of Yunnan Plateau. Question number 3. Which rivers comprise the Indian Ocean river system? Answer. The major rivers of these groups are the Tigris and the Euphrates of Syria. and Iraq flow in the Persian Gulf. The Sindhu, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra of India and Pakistan rises in the Himalayas and flow southwards into the Indian Ocean. Rivers Sittang, Salween, and Irrawaddy of Myanmar flow into the Bay of Bengal. Question number 4. Which are leading tea producing areas of Asia? Answer: China, Indonesia, India, Malaysia, and Thailand. Question number 5. Which area receives the highest rainfall in the world? Answer: Mawsynram in Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall in the world. Question number 6. Which are the places in Asia which record the lowest temperature in Asia? Answer: Verkhoyansk in Siberia has minus 51 degrees Celsius and Oymyakni has minus 71 degrees Celsius temperature in January. Question number 7. Where are the monsoon forests found in Asia? Answer: South Asia, Southeast Asia, and East Asia. Question number 8. Why is the Tundra region Arctic coastal areas have very sparse vegetation? Answer: because this belt is mostly covered by snow and ice. Only mosses and lichens grow in this belt. Question number 9. Where in Asia has the largest petroleum reserves? Answer: Southwestern Asia, that is Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Kuwait, Iran, Bahrain, Qatar, and United Arab Emirates, that is UAE. This is all about your lesson number 12. As I have told you, if you want the notes of other lessons, you can check the playlist of my channel. Thanks for watching.